Hello students, today we will do some important part of the quadratic equation. In this topic, quadratic equation, we will have a method of completing the square. Method of completing square, and by this method we will derive the quadratic formula, means we will do the derivations formula for quadratic equation also. So very interesting it is. Look here equation is given to you, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is your equation, and first of all you check this coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x square is here? A. So whole this equation, means left hand side, right hand side, both side you have to divide by a. So this you divide by a, you will get x square. Bx you divide by a, you get b by a x. C also you divide by a, means you get c by a, and 0 divided by a, you get 0 only. So you get here x square plus b by a x plus c by a equal to 0. Okay, now what you have to do, look here, this formula you should know, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a plus b whole square. Here at its name also, the square. Square means this a plus b square you will get here. So look here, first of all you will do the take this first, means here a square means you take x square, this x square as it is you can write. Now here a you have here 2a, means 2x you have here. Now b you have to find out. How we find out b? Look here, means here b by a you can write here. You not, if you solve these, you want here b by a x, so you put here 2 also, means if you 2 you cancel, you get x b by a, means here also same as it is. So by this method you will find out the b. So what is here? B is b by 2a, b by 2a. So b square you have to do. So b square means b by 2a whole square, means a you have here and by b you have b square. So look here, in this question you have only 3 parts. From the 3 parts you take here 2 parts here as it is. This part is extra, c by a is extra, so extra you put after the bracket plus c by a, and this b by 2a whole square you add by yourself. Okay, it is not given in question, so b by 2a whole square you have to subtract again to balancing the equation. So you subtract this b square by 4a square. So these are same. Look here, if you solve this equation again, you get this x square plus b by a x plus c by a. There is no problem. So look here this bracket, look here, you check this formula, a and plus b whole square. So a is here x and b is b by 2a whole square. So this bracket we can write in form of x plus b by 2a whole square. This remaining portion, means these 2 terms you transfer to right hand side. What we get, this minus will become plus b square by 4a square, and c by a is plus, so become minus c by a. After this what you do, you take LCM. What is LCM is 4a square is LCM. 4a square you take LCM, this 4a square and 4a square, so you have to multiply by 1 only, b square you get. Now this a only you have, so you have to multiply by 4a. 4a into c is 4a square, 4ac you get here. So look here, this you solve the right hand side. Now here is square, so what you do, take square root on both sides. So here the square will cancel and here you get the root. Look here, if you take the square root, x plus b by 2a whole square will become only x plus b by 2a, and you will take here plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Look here this b by 2a you transfer to right hand side. What you get, minus b by 2a plus minus, and look here 4a square is a perfect square, so you will take outside the root, means you can write 2a. Now these 2 terms you have, and from here 2a you can take LCM, so you get minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the value of x. Here we get two values of x, one for plus and second for minus. So look here, this formula also we have derived here. So this formula is called a quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So it's a very important formula. So if in exam, if you have a question that use the quadratic formula, you can use this direct quadratic formula. And if the question is the completing the square, method of completing square, and you have to find the roots, you can use the whole method in the exam.